Hey friends, it's Mona. So I went to my local Dollar Tree today and looked around for some other ideas for a Mother's Day gift that you could do with the rhinestone project instead of having to pour the mold, because you may not have enough epoxy on hand to pour the mold, which I'm going to do another video on for the mold. So they had these at Dollar Tree. Super cute. There was a little Mother's Day section right up front. And so you could paint this silver if you wanted to, so that the rhinestones would look good on it, and then just cover them like I'll show you on Sunday. So I thought this was super cute, and it's a great way to not have to use a bunch of resin if you don't have a bunch or you don't have time to pour them all. I found this was super cute. It's kind of over by the picture frames, so you could totally paint that silver, or like paint this part silver and maybe make a mom decal and then just bling that, or you can just start over from scratch on this and put some bling on it. It's got a little stand on like a picture frame, but this would be super cute to have in your office or something. Here's another one. You could just bling the outer rim of this and then bling the word mom. It's a picture frame as well, and I think there's enough rhinestones in the kit to do, and all these are $1. And here's another idea. It's like a door hanger, so you could paint this silver. And the reason I'm saying silver is because of the color of rhinestones that Amy included, and then maybe just put mom, or maybe paint it like black or even hot pink, and then put mom in silver vinyl, and then use the silver rhinestones just over the decal. So these are just some ideas that I had, especially if you're not wanting to pour that mold, because it does take quite a bit of epoxy and you may not have it on hand. This was also a cute little magnet you could totally paint and put mom on there, and then could stick it on the fridge or take it to work, stick it on the fridge, on the filing cabinet, something like that. All right, bye.